Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will talk about the PCB design rule 13 and PCB layout in KiCad. Okay, let's open the tool first. And we open the previous project and the previous PCB file. And this is our design file from the previous video, and we already placed all the footprint on the PCB screen. Okay, so first things, let's setting the design rules is here. So this is the design rules. There is two options here. This is for net class edit. This is for global design rules. And you will see here, this is a minimum track width. This is very simple to understand. So you can set it like this, and we are use the inch. Okay, we are use the inch. This is millimeter. We use the inch. And then, so this is 6 mil, and this is wear. This is wear setting. About this setting, you can take a look at this picture. So this is diameter, and this is the drill hole size, and this is the drill hole size is inside of it, and this is the diameter is here, from here to here. If you setting this, it will be fit most of the factory. Okay, and somebody will be wonder, what about this setting? This is a micro wear, and if you Google it, you can get the answer from KiCad form. Okay, so this is a very expression for this setting. What is this one? This is a micro wear. Okay, normally called micro wear is cut by laser rather than drill. Okay, it will place in the pad itself. Okay, for the BGA something this. So you can set this in like 0, 0, 8, and this one is 0, 0, 4. For most balls, for most regular balls, so we don't use this, but it need to set. Okay, you can set the value as this. So here, so this is choose different wear. This is the minimum setting. So for example, you can setting the minimum ones like this, and the drill like this. We said 1 is good enough, and this is for the track. This is the minimum setting. And this one is 10 mils, and this one will be 20. Okay, 20 mils. So this is for global setting. This is for net class. You will see here, this is lots of net. This is power, ground, and different net. We can edit a power net. Usually the power trace will be need to be bigger than others, so we setting is like 15. Okay, and you can choose. You can choose here. So this is the power filter. So currently no any LED class in this section. So you can choose this and move it here. So this will be their power classes, and you will see here. So this is already changed to power, means the track width will be setting like this value, okay? And we can this one can be changed like 0A 04. Okay, this one need to fit the global setting is the same. Okay, we push. Okay, so now the design rule is already being set. It's relatively simple compared to Lego and or PADS, but is good enough for most of the boards. Okay, most simple boards. Okay, so next step we will to draw the ball edge. It means how the ball the size of the ball, how the ball show how big it is. And before we do this, we set the grid bigger to show the better view for us to locate the position. So the first thing is you need to choose the edge, this edge, and then choose this one. Okay, so we are able to draw the line here, from here and to here and to here, here and here. And once you want to finish it, double click will finish the drawing. Okay, and also you can use the escape key on your keyboard, and we can take a review. This is the ball. Okay, so if you want to delete the outline, the ball edge, how to do it? You place the cursor on the top of the line and then press delete, then it will delete. Place on it, or you can do like this, delete draw. Okay, it's also okay. There's a two-way pop-up menu to delete, or you can use the keyboard delete, put on top of it, and then press the delete key on your keyboard, then delete. So we draw another one. Take a look. Okay, so we draw like this one. Okay. So you will see here, and it's not aligned very well, so you can change the cursor to align in order to align better. We cancel it, and you can change the cursor shape. So by this way, you can more easily to see you aligned it or not. Okay, so cancel, and then we can do the 3D view. Take a look at it again. So you will see the ball size has been changed. The ball shape has been changed. Okay. You also can set in the origin point for the grid. Okay. Setting this point, and we can set it like here. So okay. So this will be the start point of the grid, and the two. Okay, so we already set the ball edge, and the next step we need to route it. Okay, so you route it. You do the Pcb layout, and you will need to choose the first things you lay out to you lay out on which layer. This is front layer, front cop layer, and this means the first layer. Okay, this is back cop layer, is the bottom layer, top layer, bottom layer. You choose here, choose it, and then we choose this track, add the track. Okay, we check. When you do the things, you'd better to change the view to the OpenGL. The OpenGL view will make the display more smooth, and is okay. So it's better for your drawing. Okay. So select this and keep this. This is front layer, and we click here, and then okay. You will see here the GUI, the size of the GUI is much bigger, and then the trace will be run on the GUI according to GUI. So we can change the GUI. We can change the GUI size much small, and then we can more easily trace it. Okay, so this we change is 1 mil. So you can see where it's more smooth. Okay, click, and then we click. We route another one. We route another one here. So this is the clock. Okay, this is the clock, and we route another one. You will notice the software is very nice, and when you route one trace, it will automatically dim other colors, only highlight the trace which you are routing. Okay, so this is a very nice feature. Okay, and so we route this. We left a ground and power at the end of. We route the signal first. Okay, and we route the key. Now we route the key. This is the key. Okay. This is the key and the key. Okay, so this is the key. This is ground, and this here. This is the power. So you will see here the power trace will automatically increase as we setting in the design rules. So we setting the power trace is 15 mil. It will automatically show you like this, and we also route the LED. So this route here, and we route here. Okay, so we leave others. We leave other trace, didn't route it for now, and we do one more things. And let's say we want to edit a veer. How we do it? So we edit a trace here. Okay. Edit a trace here, and if you can put here, this is you can press V key on your keyboard, or you can use the menu to put a veer. Okay, so this is on the bottom layer. It's already on the bottom layer. We can press V on the keyboard. Then you will to edit a veer, and edit a veer on the ball. Okay, so this will change between different layers trace. So this is added a veer. This is added a veer and added a trace. Okay, so so next step, we will fill the emptied space with cop. Okay, how we do it? So here is added fielded zoom. Okay, click it, and we choose this is front layer, and we need to edit according to the ball size. When you click it, it will pop up a menu like this. We put the ground net to the fielded cover. Okay, we put the ground. So there is lots of option here. So you can keep it as a default setting and press OK. Then you will see here there is a trace here. Trace is a dark red trace. Then we will to draw a line according the ball shape. Okay. We draw a line according the ball shape, and okay. So okay. So another one here, and here, and you will see here it will automatically fill the empty space with corp. Okay, you will see here there is still some white red net here didn't connect together. Okay, didn't connect together here, and here didn't connect together. It means there is some net is disconnected. You can do this. You can choose the DRC to check your ball is correct or not. But before we do this, we put another layer. So this is the bottom layer, and we fill the corp on the bottom layer too. Okay, and we disable the top layer for visibility. We disable this. So this is the bottom layer. Okay, let's edit the fielded zoom. Use the corp to fill all the emptied space first. Okay, click. And we also, you will see here, this is bottom layer, this is ground. And we keep all the settings as default. Okay. Then you will see this color is already changed to green. Okay. And we choose this. We choose this and click here. Click here and click here. And click here. Okay, so you will see we also fill the bottom layer with corp. Okay, and so let's open the top layer also. So disable. So it will still has the white red net, red light here, the white one. Okay, the white one. So for now, we can use the DRC tool to check what's wrong with it. Okay. So we check start DRC. And you will see here. So there is unconnected path. Okay. And so it means needs the unconnected path. And we will go to correct it. So you will see here, so this pin actually didn't connect the corp layer. The corp is for the ground, and this is ground pin. But here didn't connect. So we added a trace. Added a trace here. Okay, so you will see double click and to end it. Okay, so the white, this white red net already disappeared, and we can add it more like this, and then end. Okay, so there's another thing you will see here. This is 3.3 power is still disconnect from here. This is there is a red net here. Okay, we choose and click here and click here. So you will see here the power trace is overlap with the ground corp. How we do it? So we needed to choose this button, choose this command, and then okay, so we need to choose this command, and also we need to change the view to the deformal, change this to deformal, and we needed to choose this again. The first we do it again. Choose the canvas to deformal, and we choose this button, and we do connect right, get the menu, and choose this command, fill, refill all the zoom. You will see here. So this is very interesting. So you will see here, it automatically shows the power trace. The power trace and the ground layer is not overlap again. So it means the fill corp has been refilled, and okay, refill it. Okay. So this is the basic layout for the board, and we will do the generate. We will generate the factory files in next video. Okay, so so that's it. This is the PCB design rule setting and PCB layout. And I'm Michael, and thank you for your watching. Thank you.